Bosio bono tosoa sensemo yechisemi na bono litukeli mu mega yomu waziri wechisemi Mheshimiwa Julius Migosi kubwato kama chibwa senchira ya bene ikirasi 12 matemo mana KCSE aso mwaka 2024 nigo aboroki wana bwega baibori bagendete gochingira na kokera machibwa yega amaya kurwase chisukuru chechi secondary na bono kurwase bunge ya Kitutu Chache South ni county ya Kisii murikito dipo nasanya na nyara kobakago tarre aiga techi sukuru kurwase bunge yo osangana abarimu na bono otwarega ni robot uriga senchira yobekiran
ayanga tiyali agenderete anena sogo chingira matemu yo mwaka weta wichi 2024 anena ime yorogongo rwa Kitutu Chache South eye maseyemo ime yeskuru ya Sister Mikaela eyo gotoke meye ward ya Bogeka nigo babere baguchingira amachibu amaya ayo abeteka gosoka chinga kibono bagotebanga nigo bakoletiwya wetania omwaka ulio etete wichi 2023
the principal of Sister Mikaela Girls Secondary School and Sister Mikaela Junior School. We are very excited about our results. We have had a mean of 7, which is an improvement from last year, the 2023 mean, which was 5.7. The secret behind this has been team spirit. Have made a greater achievement because we had a small population of 35 students, candidates, and a half are going to the university.
Chinga kechi boigo eskuru ya Bright Star Vision boigo tetigiri magega chinga kiba chengeire okomenteka ku mubaro abana babete bakogende university umwako yoiga korwa abana 15 gwikabana 25 aso mwako yoiga nigo baerera inga omokyobo nigo baira matunda maya ayubono bagendete gochengera asebire biga.
Dennis Omari, the principal of the school. We thank God for the good performance. Last year we had a mean of 5.3. This year we have improved to a mean of 6.1. Compared with the students who managed to pass the exam to university, last year we took 15 students to university. This year the number has increased to 25 students. So we thank God for this performance.
Nyaboke Nyacheki from Bright Star Vision High School, a school that has made me realize myself, a school that all teachers are understanding, a school that I'm sure if you bring your kids to this school, they will surely be happy as I am.
Ense monaywe eskuru ya St. Luke's Kanunda eyubege gotoke meye ward ya Nyakoe na barabu nigo beso kirien na guchengera amachibu maya maega yoko irabana witania 50 ase university chinga kibakoligereria na matuko amagega nigo batebirenga omokyobo no kubwaterana gati y'abarimu n'abayibuli n'aborokigwa nigo obayire barabwe konyora amachibu ya iga
wa Peter Nyamoti principal St. Luke's Kanunda Secondary School ato waga ya sambi ya mono asenge nchema tokea to etamaya ya matemu to akora 2024 to register wana 150 asa wana 150 awana 57 ba qualifying grade ya C+ and above iga 57 awana ni university na awande banyoli chigeli chingia kira baragere bajoinia college. Emilio Mwako yarenge 6.0067 compared to 2023 yarenge 5.100 to the cost of deviation ya 1.9 2021 to what 4.3 2023 to what 5.1 na bono 2024 to what 6.1 6.007 67 go ainara to akarama ya ndo sabati ya sadu wadesi rinde nyawo skat konye kenyoro to konye Kenya to wacha kurtamu ni ya isiwe kaile to ngado baro wacha kurmala ito akurega
giko ripoteria egetaseni kiao kiagetembe kuruiga sebonge ya Kitutu Chache South gotoke meye county ya Kisii elia nenkore kwa Dipon Asanya.